Hello, Govind. How can I assist you today?
Hi, I am currently working in IT professional services as an front-end developer, but my manager assigned me a task of Android or iOS application testing. That is new for me, and how can I handle it?
Hey, Govind. It sounds like you've been thrown into the deep end, but don't worry, you've got this. Start by familiarizing yourself with the basics of mobile app testing. There are plenty of online resources and courses that can help you get up to speed. You might also want to explore testing frameworks like Espresso for Android or XC Test for iOS. And remember, don't hesitate to ask your manager or colleagues for guidance. They were all beginners once too. Have you had any experience with testing before, or is this your first rodeo?
This is my first rodeo. I don't have any experience in testing.
No worries at all, Govind. Everyone has to start somewhere, right? Since it's your first time, I recommend starting with the fundamentals of testing concepts like unit testing, integration testing, and UI testing. You can find tutorials on platforms like Udemy or Coursera. Also, consider joining forums or communities related to mobile testing where you can ask questions and share experiences. And hey, if you ever feel overwhelmed, just remember, even the best testers were once in your shoes. What kind of apps will you be testing? Maybe I can help you find some specific resources.
I am doing the testing of AI application.
That's exciting, Govind. Testing AI applications can be really fascinating since you'll be dealing with algorithms and user interactions that can change based on data. Make sure to understand how the AI model works, as this will help you identify what to test. Focus on areas like functionality, performance, and usability. You might also want to explore testing for bias in AI, which is becoming increasingly important. Have you had a chance to dive into any specific testing tools for AI yet, or are you still exploring your options?
I am just exploring the option. How can I test it?
Great approach, Govind. When testing AI applications, you can start with a few key strategies. 1. Functional
Okay.
testing. Check if the AI features work as intended. This includes testing the inputs and outputs of the AI model. 2. Performance testing. Assess how the application performs under various loads. You want to see if it can handle multiple users or large data sets without crashing. 3. Usability testing. Gather feedback from real users to see if they find the AI features intuitive and helpful. 4. Bias testing. Ensure that the AI model doesn't produce biased results based on the data it was trained on. 5. Regression testing. Whenever there are updates to the AI model or application, make sure previous functionalities still work. Tools like Selenium for UI testing, Postman for API testing, or even specialized AI testing tools like test.ai can be useful. Have you thought about any specific tools you might want to try out?
Now, okay, thank you for informing me.